So I would like to try this kind of the other way, number 24, with maybe a better or easier method, right? Because I was using exponent rules pretty hard on the last one. I would like to use something easier. So I might look at this and say, okay, I've got a difference of logs. That's what? I've got a log rule for that, right? Yeah, that's log of the division, right? So I could say this is a log rule, right? Which is to say that I've got this stuff is log of 7x plus 13 over 4x plus 13. And that's still log of 5. Right? This is just straight up applying a log rule. Now when I take 10 to the stuff on both sides, right? I'm going to get 7x plus 13 over 4x plus 13 is 5. Right?
So where did you put the 10s when you did that?
So the 10s and the logs canceled, right?
Okay, so I'll just write that for myself.
Yeah, that's fine. So right here, 10s and logs cancel. So I got just this stuff. Then this is just the same thing I solved just a minute ago, right? So we take both sides, we multiply by 4x plus 13, right? We get our 7x plus 13 is 20x plus 65. Then I think we subtracted 7x. We got 13 was 13x plus 65. Subtracted 65. Ended up with negative 52 is 13x. Divided by 13. And we got negative 4 was x, right? Same answer, right?
Less work.
I spent, well, a lot of it went faster, right? Because I had just done this piece. That was all the same work. But I replaced 2 uses of kind of harder exponent rules with 1 use of an easy log rule, right? You guys see that? So this could go both ways, right? Remember we said that the log rules were roughly the same thing as the exponent rules? Well, they are. And they're going to have the same uses solving. But this, for some reason, is a lot easier for me to do, right, than all the exponent rules.
So one side you did it with the log rule and the other one you did it with exponents.
Yeah, so the first time we did this, we did it with exponents. And this one step took us, or these 2 steps, I guess, took us 3 or 4 steps last time. And they were harder steps. This was just do a log rule, raise everything to the 10. You guys cool with that? Yeah, so that's the log rule that I'm using here is this log of A over B is log of A minus log of B. That's what your book calls the quotient rule for logarithms. Cool. So in general, use a log rule, make things into 1 logarithm equals 1 logarithm, and then raise both sides. Or make things into 1 log equals a number and raise both sides. That'll make your life easier.